Hey boys!
Hey guys, it's Flood.
It's Flood, and it looks like we started in the middle of a random game. So
Right, it's a drift. Flood.
and it's already round one, halfway through round one.
Shit, nearly all of us, I died.
Fair. I got a double kill.
Well, this guy's helping you. I'm killing you.
Yeah.
Right.
I was the second longest standing and I came fourth.
How much did you get?
I got 40 points. 30 points.
Really?
Yeah. I killed 3 people.
Okay, I got 0.
Is this round 2 or round 1?
Let's play.
This is the start of a round now. Okay, for all those people who don't have Halo 4, which I doubt most of you watching it would have. Flood is a game mode.
Because you trolling. Oh, you died.
Flood is a game mode on Halo 4, and I accidentally clicked the wrong class, where there are 2 alpha floods and there are 10 players. 2 of them are floods, and they have to infect all the other players to win. The Spartans have to survive to win.
Crap.
You can see Henry's in camouflage mode.
Stop looking at me.
Bitch.
Well, you got killed by that bitch. Fucking hell. I'm scared.
What? I switched to a thruster pump.
Yeah, kill. What the fuck? Didn't even see that. Oh crap when it's split screen.
And we're both floods. But we're not lesbians!
Yay! I am. Am I the only flood?
No, I'm a flood.
You're having nigger spawns. Hey George, look behind you, bro.
You're playing as you're not playing as Death Eater.
I know.
That's what the HD means. The HD doesn't mean high definition, it means Henry Death Eater.
I know. I got 65 then, guys.
I got 10.
What's your average points? What's all your points together?
40.
Yes, I know about George.
Son of a bitch.
Right, guys, I'm playing as Jake E. B. So, I'm usually Henry Death Eater. I nearly killed myself today.
He's playing as Henry J. Keep at the moment. And I'm George Bush,
Hey, George.
as always. We've got to find a hiding spot.
Okay, I got one anyway.
Fuck me.
I think I know where one is. Here. Oh, look at my screen, guys. I've got an awesome.
As always, Henry's on the top.
There we go, look at me. Look at my screen, George.
Look at my screen.
And look where I am. Now I have to get here.
Look where I am.
What the fuck?
Henry, look where I am.
Oh, you're just hiding. Where the hell are you? How the hell did you get there?
I'm standing on a pole in Norway.
Bro, that's cool. Wait, was that me? I know how you get there. I know how you get there.
Yeah, there's a trick which lets you kill the Spartans. It's like the one on Complex.
You mean flood? Not spots.
You may or may not be looking on the wrong pole.
Fucking hell. You're on this. You're down here. Fucking hell. No one knows where you are.
Someone apparently killed me.
That's funny.
How did he kill me?
How much points you got?
25.
No, altogether.
65.
Oh, maybe two.
Who chooses the next match then?
Out of 5 minutes, so let's have another one. No, do flood again. It's going to be a flood video. YouTube.
Okay. Look, I'm level 38. And he's being J-Keep is a level 16.
I'm usually level 119, boys.
He always plays. I only play with buddies.
No, I play Battlefield 3 now.
You got Battlefield 3 when I got it on PS3.
Let's see Jake's loadout. Jake's loadout shit.
Miles made it, that's why.
Crap.
Miles is Friday 123 and Slasher whatever it is. Slasher 891 or whatever.
Oh.
Check what?
There you go.
We're finding a game, finding a game, finding a game.
Yay.
Is your phone still frozen?
Okay, it is. I'm going to have to try and switch it off and switch it on again. Awesome.
George Baum's fact of the day.
You get
Apple own rounded corners.
what the fuck?
If you have perfectly rounded corners, like Apple, you'll probably get sued by Apple. Not really. You'll just get a heavy beating from someone who works at Apple. I have a problem with my Mac. I don't have a Mac. Okay, I have an Acer and bit shit.
Oh shit.
Oh! We're picking. Complex. Yeah. Look, Henry.
Oh,
What happened to your phone?
broken. Just joking, that's how you do it.
Henry, look, we're playing on Complex.
Obviously.
Let me show you the epic hiding spot on Complex. Which
Um,
most of you already know. It's not a hiding spot either, it's just an obvious spot which is...
Everyone knows where the hiding spot is. It's not even a hiding spot.
It's just on the top of a gigantic pole.
Yeah.
Like I was on Solace.
Someone's trying to talk to us. You never take me alive, Billings.
Have you noticed that we're playing 18s and 16s and we're 11 and you're 12?
Yeah.
Henry got held back a year.
Oh crap, this is still filming, I thought. Okay.
No? You said after the flood game, oh, it's only been 5 minutes, let's play another one.
Yeah, but I thought you paused it and then here's the other one. Okay, we're back. No, not back, we were always there. Shit.
Tom Shade is online.
I don't give a shit, to be honest.
Tom Shade 11 is definitely not a guy called Tom Shade.
Ha! Shit. Like his test. That's not a hiding spot, that's a crap spot.
Oh yeah, I have to go to that spot, don't I? That's the best spot.
Where?
Where you are.
Thank you.
That's the one we always go to and always fail, because I always let Henry die and then I die myself.
No, it's because I do all the work. Sup?
Sup, boys?
Who are you?
Don't rape me.
Get the fuck away from me, George. Oh crap, someone got a flood's coming.
Stay still.
Flood's coming, George. You waste
Look behind you.
What's going on? But oh my god! I'm getting raped.
Don't punch me. I'll punch you.
Stop pushing me, bro.
Come at my bro, come at my bro.
Where are the floods? Oh crap.
It's the flood invasion. And stealed.
Yeah, got him.
That's what you get for being a floody bitch.
Sorry I didn't kill that guy, I was just being a bit of a wanker. He's this side, let me kill him. Let me get the kill, Packy. Oh, you got it, asshole.
I got the kill.
Piss off.
No, it's a free country. Covenant land.
Piss off. For God's sake, George.
No! No!
Flood coming, hide, George. Hide, flood coming. I'm just joking, I just want you to die.
Oh, you son of a bitch. We better not be the last 2 people standing.
We're not like 5 people.
Hey, there's another guy called Jake. Hey!
Jake, boys. I bet they're all going to come for us.
Hello, people.
Hi.
Is that Will Wiley?
My name's Jake. Well, by the way.
Sexy.
I'm not called Jake. Because I'm a basket case.
How much kills you got? Oh, George, stop niggering the kills.
I got first kill assist.
It's your bet.
We're... I will survive!
Okay, guys, let's all jump off.
It's a proud moment for all of us!
Yeah, we win!
We survived! I got more points than you!
We survived!
I will survive, and then I get hit by a bus, or I get killed by blood, and then we all come to us. Now you're in my way.
One of the... George, shut up! George!
What?
Hi. Hey, Jake. Okay. Is it because I'm sexy?
His name's not actually Jake Eve, that's my brother's account. And he's using it.
Oh,
Because
crap.
he has to type in his because he would have to type in his password every single time. And
Oh, the guy who's talking's a flood.
it'd make him fucking butt hurt.
Let's go up here, guys. Yeah. Go on, boys. All up.
Yeah, by the way, this guy is my brother.
Yeah. I'm normally called Death Eater. But I'm playing as this guy. Can't be bothered to put my name in.
I'm a flood.
Can I stand on your head? There I am. Oh.
Me and Jake Eve are in the same room. But it's funny because I'm a flood and he's not, so I could just screen peek.
Yeah, I killed George.
He's not called Jake, by the way, he's called Henry.
Yeah. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Did he kill someone? Oh, I died.
Yes, he killed the other Jake. Where you think you're going, bitch? Hey, I just met you.
This is crazy, but here's my number.
No, he goes, but here's my talent. And turn into a flood.
No.
And all the other boys
Try
to be a Spartan. But here's my penis. But here's my talent. Turns you to flood. Turns you to flood. Hey, I just met you.
George. You're fucking bad. Oh, I see you. Spartan. You're gonna fuck in the ass.
And all the other boys try to fuck me. But here's my penis.
So fuck us, baby.
So suck it, bitch.
Oh, double kill. I killed the guys up top.
Better have done.
I did.
Otherwise, who the fuck doing the fucking S on her? And then you went there to see that I didn't have fucking day of the
Fuck off.
Some people have feelings.
Yeah, you don't. Mum does. Boom. In my bed.
My mum has feelings about your penis.
High five.
High five.
Oh, there's Jake. Oh, Jake's trying to get my kill, bro.
Hey, will you be my friend? If you don't, I'll fucking shoot you in the fucking ass.
10 seconds left. We have to kill that noob.
Intense horror moment.
Oh, we're not going to kill him. He's too far away.
This video has been 14 minutes long.
Well, fuck me.
And it's only round 2.
I mean, that's put on YouTube and it's 15. Oh, Jake, this is on YouTube.
Yeah, now we're... You probably won't be able to hear Jake talking quite there. We're allowed it over 15 minutes, I'm telling you. We're allowed the 23-minute video.
Oh, Jake, we're on YouTube right now. But we can't hear you very well. Yeah. We're making a video. Oh, crap.
Oh crap, I just remembered I'm not a flood.
Well done. Oh, crap, I died.
You're a flood. I know the perfect defense mechanism.
Yawn.
Hey, Ben, you're a bastard. Yeah! Bitch. Don't make me fall off, Ben, you bastard.
Jake, we can't hear you.
Ben the basket case.
Very well. George, I'm so gonna fuck you.
I killed the other one at least.
Oh, I did rubbish then.
Oh, that wasn't a very long round.
Yeah.
Anyway, douchebags, that was flood.
Yeah.
Do you want to end the video?
Okay, subscribe.
No, wait.
What?
You wear Nessie style.
Shut up.
Fuck.
Okay.
No one does Gangnam Style anymore but me.
Is this gonna be our last Halo video?
I don't know. End the fucking video or I'll kill you.
Okay. Ended video now.